Today we are doing a real classic since 1946. Just in case you're interested, Hatfield, Georgia is where this classic is from. Yes, Chick-fil-A sandwich. Chick-fil-A sandwich. You know there are 2,700 restaurants in 47 states and the District of Columbia. I don't know which 3 states are not there, but better get on the ball because this is the real classic. Well, we're going to do a classic as well because I'm going to do my version of the Chick-fil-A sandwich. Yes, we just went out to Chick-fil-A, got this sandwich. Okay, let's just go ahead. We're going to just show you. There it is, the Chick-fil-A sandwich. But we're going to do it one better. We're going to make our own version and you're going to want to love it. So, hey, I'm Chef Don McMillan. As you already know, I've cooked for 6 decades. That's 60 years for those of you that are mathematicians, okay? And I've been doing this all over the world, been to at least 64 countries and still counting, all right? And I'm going to share a lot of knowledge with you. And today we are going to make the perfect sandwich. We're going to do our knockoff of the Chick-fil-A sandwich. So here's how we do it. First of all, I have a boneless, skinless chicken breast right here. Beautiful size, nice piece of meat. We're going to do it one better. We're going to marinate it for about a half an hour, no more than that. I got some pickle juice. That's right, pickle juice, yes. Don't throw it away, use it to marinate. And we're going to do some milk. I'm using whole milk. And by the way, we're using 2 acids because this is lactic acid. And of course, with the pickle juice, you have the vinegar. So you have 2 acids going here. We're going to marinate the chicken. But listen, because it's a chicken breast, we're not trying to tenderize it. We're trying to flavor it. So that acid is going to allow all of these juices to kind of suck into the meat and give it lots of good flavor. We're going to put it in the refrigerator for about a half an hour. And then we're going to come back and we're going to make this ever so perfect. Okay, so I'm getting all of my mise en place, getting everything ready. And what I have here is some peanut oil that I'm heating up in this pot right here. And while that's heating up, let's go ahead and we're going to make our breading mixture, which is going to be powdered sugar. Look at that, powdered sugar and all-purpose flour. And also salt and pepper. And let's go ahead and mix these all up. So this is going to be our breading mixture, and we're going to do a double bread, and we'll show you that in just a second. I'm using a whole egg and some more milk, whole milk. Let's pour it right in there, and we're going to whip that up together too. So we season the flour and we season the chicken. Remember, we did that with the pickle juice and the milk. So now we're going to go ahead and whisk. So our batter and our flour is now ready. Okay, so here's our chicken. Open up the Ziploc bag. I love using Ziploc bags. It makes it so much easier. Plus, you don't have to use a lot of mixture in there to season your food. You just need a small amount because the bag doesn't take up that much room as one of those big bowls does in your refrigerator. So here we go. Here's our marinated chicken breast right into our egg and milk mixture. Let's go ahead and coat it all the way around. And we're going to double dip. Watch. We're going to place it first right here into our breading. Flip it around. Make it real happy. All right. Be sure it's oil coated. And then we're going to do it again. Look. Back into our milk and egg. And flip it over. Yes, yes, yes. Coat it up and back into our flour mixture. All right. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to move some of this out of our way. And so this is the flour, salt, pepper, and powdered sugar. Powdered sugar is going to give it a nice brown crust as well. Okay. Okay, so our oil is now ready. The peanut oil is hot and ready for the chicken. Here we go. Slowly, don't just dump it in there, okay? Let it go in there slowly, yeah. Let it cook around. Yes, do its job. Now, when you put the chicken in there, the temperature of the oil is going to come down a little bit. So you want to keep an eye on that. You don't want to overcrowd it. So I'm only doing one chicken breast. But of course, if you're doing multiple chicken breasts, you may want to put maybe just 2 in there at a time, and then cook them that way. Because if you flood it with them, if you put like 4 or 6 in there, that temperature is going to go down like you won't believe. Okay, so let's just do that and let our chicken cook. Let's flip it. Okay, so we had perfect 165. You always want to test it with your thermometer. It's so important. Now we're going to take some pickles. Let's go ahead and slice those pickles. Place that right here on our sandwich. This is going to be so good. Yes. And let's get our chicken right here. Look at that. Is that a chicken sandwich or is that a chicken sandwich? And there it is. Now, this is Chef Don's version of it. His Chick-fil-A sandwich, cooked to perfection. I don't know. I would say this is more than a mouthful. So, of course, you're going to want to subscribe. Definitely want to do that. You definitely want to hit that button, hit that bell, make it ring. Okay, share with your family, share with your friends. Tell them that Chef Don has some of the best recipes. And as always, you know that whenever you're cooking with me, it's simple and delicious. And please, please sign on to Patreon. It's so important to us. We're going to give you early access. You're going to see these videos before anybody else does. Also, we're going to show you some behind the scenes action, some behind the scenes nonsense, things that you like to see, okay? And we're going to do all of this without any ads, all right? So I'm ready for my sandwich. Oh my God, this is a sandwich and a half. All right, maybe I'll share it. But in any event, thank you so much for watching. And of course, as I said earlier, all of our recipes are simple and delicious.